Greetings everyone, I'm Qudr Abdul Karim from Mechatronic Engineering. My project is about energy harvesting from the human body. The system that will harvest the energy includes 8 thermoelectric plates that will harvest the thermal energy from the body that will be disposed uselessly to the atmosphere. But in this case, the thermoelectric plates will harvest this energy by creating a differential temperature between the body and the atmosphere that will generate electricity. And the second method is movement harvesting. A coil with a magnet inside it will be wrapped around the hand that will harvest any movement done by the user. As shown in the pictures, the LED is lit up with 1.6 volt output that's coming from the system. There are many problems with harvesting devices since this is a new field that is being developed day after day. A problem to be solved with this system is the power not in one source. Therefore, two methods are to be implemented together to harvest as much power as possible. The second one is the durability and washability of the system. Since this system is meant to be worn throughout the day, it will be exposed to water and other external environments that need to be protected from. Therefore, a coating water resistance adhesive to be implemented on the circuit to protect it from any external damages. Next is the power harvested from the system is around 100 millivolts, which is not so useful for any kind of application. Therefore, this voltage need to be boosted, and some other solutions does not boost this voltage enough. Therefore, a special kind of booster is to be implemented to boost this voltage and 0.6 volt, which is the equivalent of a AAA battery. Lastly, other systems use one-dimensional movement harvester, which is not a practical solution since the hand moves in a 3D space. Therefore, a three-dimensional movement harvester is designed to wrap around the hand and harvest the movement from every direction. The power generated by the system can be used to power up ultra-low sensors with microcontrollers. Product highlight. Novelty. The system is original by implementing a two method in one system, as well as for the three-dimensional movement harvester. Next is inventiveness. The system invention is the three-dimensional movement harvester. In all the journals that have been studied, only one-dimensional movement harvester are implemented, which is a linear harvester. This harvester that implemented in the system is in a circular shape that will harvest the movement in a 3D space. Usefulness and industrial application. One use for this system is patient monitoring around the clock. The patients can wear this device and the ultra-low power sensor will monitor the heartbeat or the temperature of the patient around the clock to get as much data to deduce the situation of the patient. As for the industrial application, This system will be a self-powered device which can monitor any aspect of the factory and send the data through an IoT system to the server and feed the information around the clock with low maintenance for the system since it will be a self-powered device. Commercial potentialities. This product will be attractive for the eyes since it does not need any external power, which means lower maintenance for the user, which will attract them since there will be a 24 hours monitoring for any object. Sustainable development. This system will be aimed for lower maintenance, which means there are no wastage in the parts that make the system. Therefore, the system will operate for a long period of time. Thank you for watching.